the Alpha King 2014 crown for this year is Belching Beaver. Double IPA. So come on up.
There's a lot of brewers here, pretty legendary. And a few of them, guys like Tommy Arthur, Jeff Bagby, have won this award several times, and those guys that I look up to in a big way. I started home brewing in college with a couple of my buddies, and we got really, really into craft beer over the years. I just came into this place one day and just basically said, hey, I'll work for you guys for free if you just let me just be a slave here and do whatever you want. And they said yes to that proposition. So I did that for a few months, and then they offered me a job as a brewer here. Developing Pound Town, it was a completely original recipe. I'd never brewed the beer before, but I drew from past experience of different IPAs that I'd used, different hop combinations that I'd really liked a lot. I wanted to do a really pale beer, so this is 100% base malt. There's no crystal or anything in it. I did use a high quality English malt as part of the base, so I think that adds some kind of richness to the malt flavor of the beer that kind of brings out the hoppiness in it as well. From what the feedback I've gotten on it, people say that it's very drinkable for sure, especially for a 10%. This is the first, Pound Town's the first beer I've ever entered into any beer competition before. So it's all downhill from here pretty much.